This is John Wayne being totally obnoxious while I'm trying to fix my quilt. And he keeps jumping on all the strings. I keep having to put him in the closet for an hour and then take him back out, and then he does it again. Putting the nails in my quilt. John, stop it. I know you're cute, but you must stop this madness. Why are you so cute? Huh, Fatty? Fatty McGee. Don't bite me. Don't bite your mom. Meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Say goodbye. Hey, Fatty McGee, say goodbye. Okay. Bye-bye.